Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. Well, I wasn't planning on making a garage video today because there's just way too much going on, and well, because there's way too much going on, I decided to just put that stuff aside and make a garage video because they're easier. Oh, nothing like putting off till tomorrow what you can't do today or something like that. Hey, have you guys seen this video, the unboxing video? Thank you so much. That video became one of the best performing videos on the channel in very short order. Such a fun time Amanda and I had making this, putting this together, and I want to appreciate all of you for subscribing and for helping this channel to be so successful. Yeah, this channel is successful. I tell you what, things are crazy up in here. What is that? 6 trikes now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. So we got 6 trikes in the garage, and yeah, I tell you what, just crazy, guys. And I've got good news. Well, not necessarily for you, other than more content for you to absorb. Yeah, I found out between last night and this morning, I've got 3 more trikes coming in. Yeah, within probably the next month. One's supposed to ship this week, and then 2 more have been promised that are not in inventory yet, but as soon as they get in inventory, I'm getting those. So I'm not going to tell you what brands they are just yet until they're actually on the way or something, but you know how that works. Is that crazy? Plus, I have another bike confirmed shipping. I am getting one of the Ride One Up Portolas that you've seen a few other creators out there making videos about. It's a smaller style, you know, cheaper, budget-friendly bike. So that's been shipped and it's on the way. And I'm not going to tell you just yet what it is because I want to make a separate video, but I actually just purchased a bike. Hey, I need to get this uncharged. That's right, I just purchased something. I found something, what I think is going to be an incredible value. I think it's going to be just an amazing bike, and it's going to be my daily rider that replaces the MC3, the Mooncool MC3 over there. Because I've already been using it now for a few months, and I've enjoyed it, but it's still not the perfect bike for me. And I found something. Oh yeah, I found something. I've been looking at it for a couple of days. It's a brand new model. In fact, there's no other videos or anything out there on it yet. It's from a brand that everyone's familiar with. Amanda and I are going on a ride tomorrow, and I got to make sure her bike is charged up because she's not here today. It's from a brand that everyone is familiar with, so I think it'll be popular. So, you know, part of it was just strategic. It makes sense for me to buy a popular brand new model that's great, that people are going to be interested in, because it's going to make good video and good content, and those will be popular videos and help the channel grow and all that good stuff. But it's just something that I am just really interested in because it meets a lot of the wishes and criteria that I have for an e-bike. So I'm excited about it. I was planning on making a discussion video this morning on the laptop, so I may do that still, and you know, so I can introduce it to you because I think it's a good value for what you get, and I think the features and how they built this thing is just amazing. So, oh my goodness, let's see, that's on charge. What am I taking tomorrow? This ride that we're going on is only going to be about, I don't know, 22, 24 miles or something. So I'm not sure where I'm taking. I might take the Freed Air out today for that one. Yeah, I might do that. I'm not sure yet. So it'll be the Freed Air. It won't be the XP. Or yeah, it won't be a trike. The YSky, I had that out last night with my buddy Ron. And I'm going to make some modifications to it. I just purchased I'd like to get this on today too. I purchased a new crank. It's a 52 tooth crank to replace the 48 tooth to try to give it a little more resistance at that top speed. Because once you hit 16 or something, you start ghost pedaling. But I really like this for a budget bike. It's just really good. So I would really like to keep this one long term because it's a great secondary bike for a friend or somebody that shows up that wants to go for a little ride or something. It's because it's small, it's not too crazy heavy, it's just easy to handle, and so it's a bike that I really like for being a $1,000, what is it, $1,100 bike. So I bought a crank, got to get that on there. but the battery's too small to take it on long rides. So as I was trying to say, my buddy Ron and I were out yesterday, and we think, we didn't really track it, but I'd estimate it's probably about 14 miles or something. And, you know, it's down to 2 bars because, you know, I'm a heavier guy. And so, I mean, 14 miles and I'm down to 2 bars, that's range anxiety is going to start setting in here in just a few more miles, right? So I can't take that on anything long for sure. And I can't take this stupid scooter. This stupid scooter is for sale. Yeah. You know, when this thing first came out, it was, gosh, I don't remember now. I think they were selling it for like $1,200 or $1,400. It's a nice scooter. This is the Yadea Pro KS6. And when I got ready to sell it, put it up for sale just recently, I noticed that they had dropped the price. And what is it now? $600 or something? So they must have new models and stuff. They're just trying to get rid of it. So it's down to like $600. Yeah, I'm trying to sell it for $400, but that's not going to work because it's technically used, and even though it's only got, I don't know, 15, 20 miles on it at best, probably not even that much. So I don't know, I'm going to have to drop the price and sell it. So if you're in the local area and you want an adult scooter, this is great. It goes 19 miles per hour. They claim about 19 miles on the battery. Don't remember the size of the battery though. Don't remember all the specs. Yeah, it's got little tail lights on it. It's got reflectors on the side. Folds down nice and small. It's got app controlled, so there's a few things you can do in the app. Brakes on both wheels. So really nice. So if you're in the local area, hit me up. I'll set you up with a good deal for viewers. Yeah. What else here, real quick? Hey, so the Yoda Bike. You know, at one time I thought the Yoda Bike was going to be a long-term keeper because I'm thinking long-term. You know. Good cargo style bike, whatever. Didn't turn out to be that great of a cargo style bike after we put some weight on it. It's just hard to balance. You know, if you're going to haul a lot of cargo, you probably need, well, quite frankly, you probably need a trike so you don't have that balance issue. You know, take off that seat there and put a big cargo basket, which I believe 630 said that they have. Yeah, pretty sure they said they had one that can go on here. So that would honestly make a better cargo bike than what a traditional bike is, because they just get too top heavy and too unruly to try to ride. So I'm not keeping it. I've got someone that's actually coming today that's supposed to pick it up. So that'll free up some more space here in the garage. And you know, it's a fun bike. It's unique for sure. Unique for sure. And I appreciate Yoda Bike sending it to me, but I just can't keep it. It's just too big, and I can't keep it just for a showpiece. And it's not something I'm going to be using. Devin's bike, the mock wheel, Emma's Truxus right here is still in the garage because they don't have any place to park them, so still got those here. I haven't yet advertised that large cargo trailer back there, but that's got to go too. That's taking up space, and I just don't use it like I thought it would, honestly. Yeah, just don't use it like I thought I would. I just don't care for the design, so that's up for sale. Again, if you're in the local area and you want something that I'm mentioning that's for sale, I'll work a deal for you. All right, I think that's going to be it. So just those quick updates. I got rid of the huge box. It's trash day, so that big box is out there. Got rid of that booger. I got an irrigation guy coming today to help me find a leak, because I got a really bad leak in the ground over here on this side of the house. That the whole side of the yard is all swampy because the sprinkler system is leaking bad or something, so he's coming to find that for me. So that's going on today. I do need to make a trip to Costco today because I'm out of a few things that I can only get from Costco, so I got to get that done. I got to wait for this guy to show up here this afternoon. I got a couple of videos to make to get out for you today, and I'm pulling my hair out. And Amanda is nowhere to be found. Oh yeah. Yeah. Amanda, it took today to do other things. Yeah. Tomorrow's ride is going to be good. It's going to be our downtown ride. We made a video about that once before. Rick, my buddy Rick, is leading that group. So we're going to take about 10 or 12 people and meet downtown Sarasota and go for a nice little ride. It's a great ride. Just a great ride. So I'm looking forward to that if the weather holds off. It is supposed to rain tomorrow. So we're going to make a decision later tonight or first thing in the morning on if go or no go for that ride, but I hope it's a go. I hope the rain will hold off enough for us to get down there and get that done. What else is happening real quick? I need to let you go because this video is at 10 minutes already, right? 10 minutes? Oh, yeah, we just went over 10 minutes. Stanley. Say hello to Stanley, everybody. Stanley's just hanging out here on my tripod. Did you see the video where Stanley accidentally got caught in the garage door when the garage door was going down and he was on the outside and he was all squished? What was that video? Look for that video. That was the video where Amanda and I took Toby down to the bridge and we were taking our trikes out. So yeah, check that video out. What else real quick? Trying to make these quicker. The X-Peak, I'm waiting for a box. That box is going to ship on the 6th, I think they said, which is what, tomorrow? Today? Tomorrow? Tomorrow, I think. I purchased a box so I could ship that X-Peak back. The box is over there. Waste of time and money. I can't send it back. I'm going to try to sell it to somebody else, but it's just it's a box that you have to put together, but the cardboard is pretty thin, and I'm not confident that this thing isn't going to get damaged on its way back to electric, and then they may try holding me responsible. So hey, they're willing to send out a free box so I can ship it back in their material. That's probably the safer route to go. So now I have this box that I purchased for $130 over there, and I'm going to try to sell it to somebody else and get some of my money back at least. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hey, if you're new here, subscribe because I have a lot of content on tap. And I got content for everyone because it's not just bikes, it's not just trikes, it's not just riding videos, it's not just reviews or accessory reviews, it's a little bit of everything, so make sure you stick around. If you find a video you don't care for, that's okay, just click away, go find something else. But don't unsubscribe because the next video could be something you're excited in. Hey, I appreciate all the love and support I get from all you guys. Please continue to give me those thumbs up and those comments down below. I'll do my best to get to those comments. I'm usually a few days behind, but I'll try to get to them all. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in another video real soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe. Take care.